Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I hope that everyone is doing great. Yeah, the weather seems to be going on and off, and yeah, it's just one of those weekends, you know. Yeah, I just thought I would give you an update of where we are with the flooring. I cannot believe that I have flaws in the bathroom. Oh my god. Okay, just to give you a back story, I started this project in June. I know, just this bathroom. I know it has taken forever, and in the process, I've also fired the tiler. The tiler that was tiling on the wall and stuff. I wasn't happy with his work. He's very untidy. I don't like it. There's no attention to detail. There's just no care whatsoever. So I had to get rid of him, and I've got new guys that came in to do the floors. Like I said, this is a slate tile, very cheap tile, but getting it cut into almost like a subway tile vibe then makes the tile super premium, right? Because yeah, you can't just cut it with like a grinder and stuff. So I could not afford to make that mistake. Have someone that really doesn't care about anything come here and tile, and then I'm stuck with the problem. Cool. So this is the herringbone shape. I love it so much. And we did the silver edging here on the door. It is so cute. I love it. Like love. Yeah, so the guys will be coming. They're supposed to come today, but yeah, they'll be coming tomorrow. Long story, but they'll be coming tomorrow to finish the job. I love it so much. Like, this is so beautiful. Stunning. So it's a cheap towel, but the herringbone shape gives it that premium look, finish, I love it. Can't wait to see this bathroom finally done. Yeah, this is basically where we are. We are nearing the finishing line with this particular bathroom. Drywalling there's an exposed pipe which is an eyesore, hence the drywalling, just to cover that pipe. Fortunately, we can't do anything there because should there be a plumbing issue, the pipe has to be easily accessible, so we'll seal it nicely and maybe do like some molding, to give it some character. I'll think about it and see how we can make that drywalling look premium, right? Because I thought of doing like a tongue and groove paneling there and stuff. Yeah, like I said, this is a cost-effective way. I've already spent a lot on cutting the tiles. I don't want to spend too much on this bathroom. I just want to paint. When I finish, change the light fixtures to like downlights. Well, I do have downlights, but like very modern ones that we're gonna change, just to give it some sort of, something edge, right? But yeah, so I thought I should give you a small update of where we are. I'm very happy with the tiling. Then we can move into my second bathroom. I cannot wait. And yeah, tell the rest of the the house. And then the plumber is coming today to hang the toilet back. And then those guys will come finish off tomorrow. Cool, awesome. Mwah. Take care, everyone, and I hope you're keeping warm. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and yeah, and please do subscribe, like, comment down below, and yeah, man, I hope that we become a smaller nyana community, you know, and we build each other. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll just keep you updated with the progress of this bathroom. But yeah, I'm super stoked that we are finally making progress, because oh my god, we've been moving at a rather snail pace. And yeah, I think the edging is amazing, 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 amazing compared to what I had. Let me just show you. Sorry, that's the door. Let me show you what I had previously. That was the edging previously. But yeah, so I think it's a nice little detail upgrade. I love it so much. Anyway, take care, everybody. Bye.